Exciting internship alert. Ah, are you a student or recent graduate looking to kickstart your career in product management and operations? Skuad is hiring product operations interns in Gurugram, India. Why you should apply? Work in a dynamic, fast paced global company. One, gain hands on experience in product management and operations. Collaborate with industry experts and expand your skill set. Be part of innovative product launches and testing. What you'll do? Easy assist in product development and management tasks. Lead work with cross functional teams on exciting projects. Gather and analyze user feedback and performance metrics. Help with testing, quality checks, and documentation. Who can apply? May students or fresh graduates in business, computer science, or related fields. Strong organizational and communication skills. Tech savvy with a passion for product development. Basic knowledge of Microsoft Office, Google Suite, and product management concepts. SA location Gurugram, India. Company Payoneer, Skuad. Don't miss out. Apply now and take your first step into the world of product management. Tag and share this with someone who needs this opportunity. OE follow Ultimate Job Alert for daily job updates.